You can achieve from this look to this look every day by using only 3 products. I have been using these products when I'm in a hurry or just simply my everyday look, and I want to show you how I achieve this fresh everyday makeup. Now let's begin. These are the products that I will be using. First is the Lux White Reveal Duo Stick. I have been using this duo stick for a couple of years now, and this is my favorite go-to titty stick, and it has already a moisturizer hydrating to the skin. It has SPF 50, a primer, concealer, very lightweight, and it brightens my skin. Spread it all over the face and don't forget the neck. It has already a brush that you can use, and it can be detached if you want to wash it. If you have oily skin like me, it's better if you don't put the moisturizer, which is located at the middle of the stick. So you can just apply it side by side, because the one in the middle is really moisturizing. If you have darker spots that are still visible, you can put a second layer of duty stick and get a damp sponge to even out the skin tone. The second product that I will be using is this Scout Beauty Lip Tint that you can use also for the cheeks and eyelids. This is the color when swatched. This is waterproof, so it's really long lasting, guys. I put this on my cheeks and also on my eyelids as my eyeshadow. Just put a minimal amount and see if you want to add more or not. Then spread it evenly using your finger. I use my finger when I'm in a hurry, and it's just really a matter of practice. So something like this, and check from time to time. You can add a little if you want your eyeshadow to be more intense, but on my part, I think I'm okay with this. Then do spread on the cheeks. I added a little on my nose and also on my temples. As you can see, it freshens up a little, and I also put in my nose to have an impression that I have been under the sun. And lastly, don't forget the lips. Finally, the third product is this Nichido Eye Pencil in the shade of brown. You can use it on your eyebrows, as an eyeliner and lip liner as well. Brows fuller, I start putting on the tail part and gently work going to the head part as the lightest. And do the same on the other side of the brows. Then use a spoolie brush to soften the look. Put a little liner on the lash line and extend to have a winged eyeliner. Just do this gently, guys, and please don't poke yourself. Eyeliners can either give your eyes look bigger or smaller. For my lips, I want it darker, so I added this eye pencil on top of my tint. What's amazing with this brown eye pencil, and it should be a must-have in your makeup kit, as it can do multitasking roles in your makeup daily routine. And voila, I'm done with my lips. Now I can use this pencil as my contour, and I can also use this to contour my nose. It's to have a slimmer face because I really have a big cheek, so I need contour. And just a little on my nose and some touch of it as my second layer of eyeshadow. It's to elongate my eyes. And to finish this look, I did a retouch on my eyeliner. So here you go guys, it looks chic and fresh, really quick with just 3 products. I hope you enjoyed and learned something. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. And thank you for watching.